In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit apps. Then scroll again to click on app lock here and decide which login method you wish to use in order to block your apps, pattern, PIN or password. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, create it. Hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose confirm. Now you need to click on gray switches next to apps you wish to lock, and when finished, go back. So now when I try to access one of those apps, icons that app lock is required. To disable app lock from any app, go into the same settings and use no blue switcher. You can also click on this gear icon next to unlock method and use all of those options however you want to, like reset app lock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!